Conversation.
Hi! Back again with another Recess Converse episode. So, in Recess Convo, we're going to have a little talks, a little conversation. And in previous episode, we've talked with Pak Angga, right?
Yes, sir.
Nah, jadi kira-kira in this episode kita sama siapa sih?
Today's guest is
Drum roll.
Hi, hello everyone. I think you've met me before, maybe through the teachers, maybe you've met me in the dorms, maybe you've met me in the mosque, maybe you've heard of my English and wanted to hear me in recess conversation for once in a while, and I'm finally here.
Yay! So with Kanaya guys hari ini. Kanaya is new student in this Golpro High School di angkatan 4. So yeah, how's Albayan?
I mean, like, it's great. I really like how cool it is in Sukabumi because back then I lived in Jakarta and my God, was it hot.
Yeah, it's so hot.
It can reach up to 36 degrees,
Wow.
ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah,
Can you believe that?
so hot. Kayak lagunya Seventeen Urina Jogging Like Hot.
우리는 dropping like hot, hot, hot. 어제가 feeling so hot. 노래 burning like hot, 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 hot.
Yeah, in Sukabumi it's so cold, ya kan? Yeah, it's in the morning it's so cold. Kalau misalnya we're going to the mosque and for subuh prayer or for tahajud prayer, it's so cold.
I often check my weather. It's always like around 19 till 20. Like, dingin banget.
Iya ini sih.
Yes, yeah, lumayan.
Kamu gimana di sini? Udah mulai betah or belum? Atau macam ini?
I already feel really at home here. Wow. Mostly because like the dorms, they're like really cozy, really comfy, and like the people here, they're fun, they're really friendly.
Aku tuh tertarik banget sama your English because your English is so good. Like I wanna know kayak jago itu like your practice your conversation like in home or in school or your previous school it was a bilingual school atau kayak gimana sih kok your English is so good?
Well, like maybe I've told this to a lot of you, but yeah, my school back then was a bilingual school. Like they encouraged us to use English, but they don't really enforce it. They don't really like remind us to use English. Back then in my old school, we used to have an English day. It was every Thursday, but like the teachers, they don't really enforce it. They don't feel like they really care. Like they put the responsibility of enforcing the rule onto the students, and you know how the students are in like private schools.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Yeah, they're not really that responsible. So, like,
You know that the most important things to do when you're practicing a new language itu tuh kayak practice gitu gak sih? Kayak hal yang paling bagus buat practice a new language kayak when you're studying new language the most things to do is conversation with the native, right?
Yeah, that's correct. But okay, this is my case. It's a bit of a weird one, but since I was 5 years old or 6 years old, I don't really remember. My parents, they both used to work, so I was left with a nanny, with a babysitter, whatever you want to call it. And when I was being a little rowdy, a little bit of it, a little devil, you might say it, the babysitter would lend me her phone to distract me, and then like a bit of a Western content got into the for you page, so like there was a lot of English videos and like
Can we watch it?
yeah, I watched it. Yes.
Oh, so you're practicing English with watching an English videos.
Yeah, watching and listening to English videos.
Iya sih. Karena ada beberapa cara sih buat trying English like listening or your reading, bisa juga sih dari beberapa aspek kayak bisa belajar dari listening a song or watching a movie or reading an English books.
English literature is my childhood, especially kayak cerita-cerita gitu. Tapi aku juga sama kayak kamu tahu, kayak watching a video when I was younger, and then like, oh, yeah. And also my parents actually taught me first, then baru Indo. Kalau kamu gimana?
So for me, I'm learn English in watching an English cartoons or an Indonesia cartoon but English dubbing gitu sih. Because I like cartoon a lot, so like ya misalnya kayak Sofia the First gitu. So, Sofia the First, pokoknya childhood tontonan childhood gitu itu ya I've watched it with an English dubbing gitu.
Anyways, about kayak cartoons, kalian nonton apa nih pas dulu? Like your apa sih namanya?
Childhood.
Childhood videos or cartoons. What is yours?
Yeah, I've mentioned it. Yeah,
Just with
Sophia the First, Sophia the First, My Little Pony. I really like Princess a lot, so I've watched Disney Princess.
Mine was Barbie and also a lot of CN. You know CN, right?
Cartoon Network, yeah.
Yeah. I was a child with raised with Cartoon Networks, especially like the Gumball.
Yeah, I love Gumball.
Yeah.
For me, I was more of an internet kid, so like I watched a lot of Minecraft videos and Roblox, you know, whatever was popular at that time. I used to watch it.
Yeah. But I miss that old content actually.
Yeah.
Anyways, Kanaya, do you have any opinions on English on Albania?
I do think that some of the students here have potential in learning English, but well, from what I've seen, from my own opinion, from my own point of view, a lot of you aren't really that good in English, and I'm not being arrogant or anything, or this is because I'm almost as clear as like as a lancar as a bule, you know. I'm trying to speak in some Indonesian words, okay? But you all have seen, you all are very smart in English in like the material and the mata pelajaran. I can see that you all have potential, but I'm pretty sure you all are lacking in conversation, in how you pronounce and spell words, talking to other people.
You flatter us. I like it. And also, what do you think if there's one day as same as your school but with consequences, like yeah, it's same as your school but we are on Thursday, right? The consequences. We have the consequences. What do you think about it?
Honestly, I don't really agree with it because it might put some stress on the other students for having to speak English the whole Thursday. I mean, like
It's gonna be actually, but I kind of feel bad for them that really not that fluent on English.
Yeah.
But also like we should try it first and then
Because English is so important, especially kayak kalau pas udah kerja, English is so important. Like, hey, coba kayak what kerja apa yang nggak butuh English kayak
ya pasti
English
ada
is so
nggak
important.
sih?
English is so important for
Yeah.
like misalnya kayak untuk pas wawancara, pas tes, pas masuk.
Apalagi itu pendaftaran university kan ada yang sistem IUP, right? International Under Degree, right? Kayak ya udah dites lah pakai bahasa English dan kayak describe kayak why they should choose you.
Iya kan, like there's TOEFL gitu-gitu, so ya English is important guys gitu. Oke, thank you Kana ya for today.
Thank you ya.
It was an honor for me to be on today's Recess Conversation episode.
Yay. Okay guys, see you tomorrow and
Bye.
The end. Did you enjoy your break time?